Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, I have an absolute Goliath of a destination camper for you. This thing has, 2 stories. It's got your dual loft up in the front. It is the 2022 Salem Grand Villa 42DL. This camper is absolutely awesome. You're going to see it's got the aluminum siding on this version. You can get the fiberglass if that's more your style. But today I'm going to take you on about 10 to 15 minutes on the inside and then just walk you around the outside, show you some things that I think are pretty neat about this camper. If you want the specifications, things like the height, the weight, all of that, make sure to check out the description of this. You will also find my number and my email if you guys are curious on pricing, or want to reach out to me if you guys are in the market. And as always, if you guys like RV videos or find this helpful in any way, if you guys could hit that like, subscribe, maybe drop a comment and say hi. I would greatly appreciate it for sure. But again, 2022 Salem Grand Villa 42DL. And this thing is absolutely awesome. Right when you walk in, it's a nice, clean, crisp look. It's got these really nice, tall, high ceilings. Just definitely something that is perfect for what a destination camper is, where you take it, you leave it, and you come on a vacation spot. Maybe you're dropping it down the lakes of Tennessee or, whatever. But I love it. It's a great floor plan. It also features a ton of sleeping space. Up here, I'll show you here in a little bit later on in the tour. But you got these nice big lofts that can sleep, a small army for sure. So today I figure I'll probably start in the back here with that pull-out sofa and work my way, up towards the front. But, yeah, okay. Got these nice little beams, just looking sharp. Added a little bit of decor here on the sides. And I love this camper. This one's near and dear to my heart. This is the camper that actually got me into making these videos. I popped one of these up on TikTok probably about 2 years ago. Got 5 million views. So every time I see this, it just kind of brings back that nostalgia hit. But, okay. Pull-out sofa. Comes all the way out. It'll make, excuse me. Pull-out sofa will make a full queen-size bed. So if those 2 lofts aren't enough or you want to get somebody away from the kids, that right there does make a queen. You're also going to see you got countertops on either side, to put whatever you want to do there. It's also got outlets and outlets, so that's always nice. One of the things that I personally enjoy about this camper is that ceiling height that I mentioned before also allows you to have absolutely extremely tall slides. And what that leads to is going to be these huge open window area, which is really nice when you're at that campground or wherever it is that you're parking this bad boy. You want to see the views and enjoy it. You can also get a nice cross breeze by opening these up, sliding that over, and you're good to go. Each window will also come with, you got yourself, your nightshade. That's always a perk. Spin around right here. You got your entertainment section to the camper. It comes with, this Furrion sound bar. Gets this thing absolutely bumping. HDMI, USB, zone 1 and 2. So that's going to be inside and outside. You also have this electric fireplace that comes with 3 different modes, for the view. So you got this blue light, a white light, and a more traditional fire look. But that thing puts out some serious heat. Right there, that'll be enough to heat this entire area of the camper on a day like today, where it's 45, 50 degrees, and really save you some money on some propane. This switch right here also controls the accent lighting. So I think that's a really nice touch to this camper. Good size TV, don't need to go into that. We all know what a TV is. You got some storage up here. Then as you're moving along, this slide is going to be your kitchen slide. Got yourself a little pantry right here. So some good storage. You'll see it also has this nice little lip. Keeps stuff from kind of rolling around. Plenty of counter space right up here. You're also going to have an outlet, and you got a little light that you can click on and off. You also have this nice long window. Storage here. So you got that. A couple of these drawers. So you got 2 of those bad boys, and look how big those are. That's your welcoming packet when you buy one from Forest River. And you have 2 of these. Roll around, you got your Furrion stovetop burner. So 3 stovetop burner, and they're the big boys, as you can see, a little bit more powerful than your traditional, travel trailer or fifth wheel. You also have the Furrion oven, which is a real nice size. Whirlpool microwave, and you got plenty of storage here up and above. And that goes all the way across. Right here you have the big boy, the LG residential refrigerator, one like you will find inside your home. Perfect for a destination camper. I mean, look how big that thing is, nice and lit up. This obviously, we haven't fully gotten this thing ready, so it's still got those, the styrofoam blocks in there. But refrigerator, it's better than the one that I have at home, that's for sure. Then you got this area, which is going to be like a little, a little coffee bar area right here. That's probably what I would use it for. You got your outlets, you got the controls for your camper. Turn that light on. Controls for your camper right there, along with, oh, geez, oh, Peach, why am I blanking on that? That's how you control your heat and your AC. You also have this little dimmer switch. So you pretty much just, click it, and you can kind of change the different, there's different settings there you can mess around with. So back around, this is an island kitchen model. You have your accent lighting, which you can flick on and off with that switch right here. But island kitchen, pretty typical for an RV. Nothing really too special there. But you do have your double bowl, stainless steel undermounted bowl. Got some storage and some access to your plumbing. Camera's going wonky on me. Let's get that back up to speed. So on this slide out, you're going to notice you got the nice high tall slides. I'm 6 feet tall. And as you can see, there's plenty of head clearance. I'm guessing probably somewhere around 6'6", something of that nature. Again, the nice tall windows, all of which have those nightshades that I was talking about earlier. You got your dinette. And then you have your Thomas Paine recliners right here. These are going to be the pull tabs, so you pull there. Legs come up. Those are the quick reclines, so you can, sleep an additional 2 there if you need, if you don't like that pull-out bed situation. A couple cup holders, and then a little storage right there. I think that about wraps it up here for this living room kitchen area. Oh, forgot to point out, you got this nice ceiling fan up there to keep all the air circulating for you. Then up above, you got these real nice looking lights. And a little skylight for some more natural lighting above. Right here, you got your bathroom. Real nice open area in here, plenty of space. You got this drawer, then you got right there, put a little cleaning brush, toothbrush, whatever you want to do. Little storage there underneath. Pretty good sized shower. Switch for your electric water heater. So you got a little fan on button right here. You can also open up the vents. And then before we head up here to the loft, let me go ahead and show you the bedroom, which is, it's an awesome bedroom setup for sure. There's plenty of space here for storage. Right now you can't see out of it because we got the plastic guard up on the front for when you're driving, so you know a rock doesn't kick up and hit these huge windows. But you know, you can imagine right there, you know, you have a really nice view. Another window right here. You have your own separate entrance there for the bedroom, which I do like. Outlets, aux, satellite cable, everything right there. And then another control for your heat and AC. Your fuse box is located right here where I would call, you know, the dresser. You got 5 of those bad boys. So that is extremely nice. Obviously, you got plenty of countertop space right here. And again, right here with another outlet. 2 of these. So that goes all the way through, you know, to the edge right there. That's all one big piece. Underneath the bed, you do have some storage. And that little cubby there. You got yourself some night lights. Let me flick this on. So I do like this. This is pretty cool. Got yourself a little reading light if you would like to, you know, to do that. I think that's pretty cool. Nice little added touch. Then some storage up above, which goes all the way across, you know, across those 3. And then as you can see, a couple extra windows for, again, you know, some cross breeze, some air circulation, all that good stuff. Now this is going to be the same on both sides. It actually goes all the way across. But an area where you can put some hanging clothes in there, you know, use that as a closet for a nice long trip. You could put plenty of clothes in there. 1, 2, 3, and 4, all of which are looking like that. So that gives you a good idea of the bedroom. And if there's something I'm missing on this tour that you'd like to see for next time, you know, make sure to drop it in the comments. I would definitely love to hear from you. Central vac system. And let's show you this loft. So it can get a little bit crowded up here. You know, if you're a full-size adult, you know, I'm sitting down and my head is, you know, up on the ceiling already. The other side is actually even a little bit shorter. But for kids, I mean, they're absolutely going to freaking love this. They're going to freak out. You got plenty of sleeping. You got some outlets. Another light there, which I didn't turn on. You also have some storage right here, and you have everything you need up in that corner for TV. So you got your cable satellite hookup, your outlets, all that good stuff. A window on either side. Both are emergency exits, so if you need to, punch out that window and jump on out. And then this side, you got yourself another loft, another window, another little cubby for some storage. And again, a place, you know, to put a TV with the outlets and the hookups. So pretty neat. I like these loft campers. They do really well, you know, for the destinations, that's for sure. Give you another little look here. Then I'll head around the outside. But that about does it for the inside portion of this tour. And if you guys have made it this far, if at this point, if you guys could hit that like and subscribe button, I would be very grateful. Dual axle. You can put stabilizing jacks on the corners if you would like. Most people opt to leave them out and just, you know, put them up on cinder blocks. You have a really nice size awning. Again, the specifications will be down in the description of this camper. But that also has a little LED light, which I didn't pull that out, but you can see the LEDs there up underneath. Marine grade speakers right there. That's going to be your zone 2 for that zone 1 and 2 on that sound bar. Little cable hookup, as well as the outlets to plug in a TV or whatever you might need. This camper does come prepped for the slide toppers. That's what you see, those little black things right there. So you can put those on. That'll run you $700 a piece, but they are really handy just due to the fact of how tall this thing is. You know, getting on top and cleaning this is not convenient in the slightest. Plus, it's kind of freaky if you don't like heights. But you can add those on. Again, 700 smackaroonies a pop. I mean, look at the size of that thing. It's definitely up there. Cable and satellite hook up, plug it right in the back. What's up? These two slides here on this side, both again are both prepped for the slide toppers. So that'd be $700 a piece or $2,100 in total. Right here is where you're going to plug in your unit. Your different tanks right there if you're not hooking it up directly. Your hot water heater, and you can see that thing is absolutely massive. City water connection, fresh water connection, black tank flush. Little storage there up under the bed. You do have some access out here. Then that brings us up front. This is going to be that rock guard I was telling you about that we put up, for traveling mode. But yeah, that about does it. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Hope you gained something from this. Again, this was the 2022 Salem Grand Villa 42DL. My name is Hunter. Hope to see you next time. See ya.